We've got two boards that are different widths and we want to get a perfect 90-degree joint on them. However, if we cut them at a 45-degree angle, this is what you get. I'm going to show you the easiest trick you probably never learned in woodworking on how to fix this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our two boards, and I start with the widest one. I don't know why, it doesn't really matter, but I'm going to square it up and I'm going to flush this board to the end. So as I get this here, lift this guy up. You can see I'm flush right to the end of that board there. Now I've got my square in place. I know that I'm at 90 degrees. I'm going to take that away and I'm going to put a little pencil line on there. I just use my square. You can use a beveled miter gauge if you have one, but otherwise if you don't, just take your square, line it right up to the tip of that corner, and then your pencil mark that's already on the board. Draw your pencil line, and that's our angle we need to cut this board at. Now, if you don't have a clamp attached to your miter saw, you're going to want to use double-sided tape, not on the rotating deck of your miter saw, but only on the stationary portion here, and you'll see why in a moment. I'm going to move this clamp into place just over the stationary portion. I'm going to roll my blade back and forth along my pencil line until I think that I've got this angle exactly right. And then once you're in there, lock it in. Now is where we need to clamp this board down. We're going to go ahead and cut right on this line. Now don't move this board. We're going to keep it exactly where it's at. Remember, we're clamped down nice and tight there. Now we're going to bring our saw back to 0. Lock it into place. Take our opposing piece. We've just created our fence for this cut. We're going to line this right up to the tip of the corner, right there, corner to corner. If you have double-sided tape, you could at this point put it onto the deck. If you don't have double-sided tape, you're going to be holding it just like you would a normal cut. And then you just flip your board over, and there you are. You'll see that we're perfectly at 90 degrees. That's how you miter two boards at 90 degrees that are different widths. This is the perfect process for any of your custom framework, whether it's a picture frame or a custom cabinet face frame. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you gained some value from it, please give us a like, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss all of our tips and tricks here at Warrior House DIY. Thanks for watching.